Hello and welcome to 3DHP on Facebook and YouTube. I just received some filament in the mail from Asta out of China to try out. I have some rainbow and some skin color here, and I'm got a few projects here that I printed with both of them. And as you can see behind me, I do quite a bit of printing. I've been printing for a little over a year now. I print 24/7 on 4 printers. I have 2 Creality CR10s and 2 Ender 3s. One's a Pro, one's a Standard. They're all great printers. Enders are awesome. Anyway, to sum it all up, let me run my intro right now, and then I'll show you some of the projects that I've printed with Asta. Here are some of the things that I filmed with Asta PLA. I received 2 boxes. I've got one that's rainbow, and then I have one that's skin color. And here are the rolls I got put out right here. Anyway, I printed this really nice and beautiful bowl that I got off Thingiverse. I'll put a link to it down in the description below after the video. Came out very nice. It's doing a slight color change from green to kind of a reddish purple. And I've got a vase, very nice vase. It's slightly different color at the bottom. I did not use vase mode. I want to make it a lot thicker than that. Now I have a rocket. It's kind of an orangish with a green tint to it. You can see a spiral going all the way up from top to bottom. It's also very thick and heavy. And those are all done in the rainbow. Then on the skin color, I've got a small chest. This is printed in 4 pieces. It has a hinge built into it. Then you just glue it together. Came out very nice. Then I have the hands. I believe I did this at 150% scale. This also came off Thingiverse. All these items here I got off Thingiverse. And this is a skin color. One thing about the rainbow, on the spool about every 1/4 of an inch it does a color change. So if you print an item that's hollow like I did starting out, or actually I started with a vase, you're not immediately going to see a color change unless you have quite a bit of infill, and that's going to burn up part of the roll to jump into the next color. So when you go to start a print, basically you'll have to look and see what color you're starting with and how soon until it jumps into the next color. And you can kind of determine how much infill you need or how large or small you need to print the object. And also we've got Asta Panda. This came to me in the mail with a filament to test out. Little panda bear, that's their mascot for Asta. Real pretty little guy. And he can't wave. Let's see, here we go. There, he can wave with that hand. But anyway, yeah, I had no problem, no stringing whatsoever. All the filament that I've used for over a year now that I usually get off Amazon, I print at 210 and my bed at 60, and I did the same with this automatically, and it works great. The recommended temperature says 190 to 230 on the rolls. And like I say, I printed at 210, no problem, no stringing, no nothing. It was great. Not any issues whatsoever. So anyway, let me jump on to the next segment here, but that's what I got there.
Sun is out here overseas.
Asta is looking for global agents and distributors around the world. They do not sell retail, and they're not on Amazon here in the US. They sell in bulk only. So if you're an individual and you buy enough, I'm sure they'd probably sell to you. But like I say, they're looking for agents and distributors. So on the screen, I will list their web address and contact information. And down below in the description, I'll also list it. But once again, their PLA, I print everything at 210 and 60 degrees on the bed, as I mentioned. I had no stringing, no problems whatsoever with their filament. And like I mentioned on the rainbow, About every 1/4 inch on the roll is a different color. So if you're printing a figure, a model, a vase, a castle, and you have a lot of infill in it, it's going to do a color change, and you'll see the different layers as you go up. If you print something hollow like I did on the vase and the bowl, you really don't notice much of a color change unless you're at that point on the roll where it's getting ready to jump into another color. But it seems like a great product. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. Anyway, I hope you like this, and I'll leave some contact information here on the screen. And I'm getting ready to do another video here soon where I'm going to do a walk around of all my hobbies, show you all my failed prints over the last year, show you all my empty spools from every roll of filament I've ever bought. I kept every single spool. So just that way I guess I can realize how much money that went out the window. So, and I'll give you a little tour here to show you everything that I painted, haven't painted, and what I got going on. So thank you from 3DHP. Please like and subscribe. Check me out on Facebook if you're interested. We got over 2,000 members and slowly growing. You're always welcome. You know, for 3D printing, painting, computer questions, we're here for you. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.